Alright, tonight I'm on the Ohio River. I've been fishing here for the last, I've been fishing the Ohio River for the last 3 or 4 weeks with no success. I've caught one long-nosed gar, got it right to shore, then it got off. So hopefully tonight things will change. Change locations. A little bit of structure behind us, I guess you can say. So hopefully something will come along. Now, this is the chair that I brought with me. I don't know how I grabbed this, but I don't think it's going to work. Call me crazy. Uh-oh. Well, still there? Oh yeah, still there. You think he's big? I feel it, yeah. It's tugging still. What's going on with it?
I want to ruin your video, man. Ooh. Hell yeah. Got a bite on your other one too.
Yeah, I think it's tangled up in that one.
Oh shit. That's pretty decent size. Oh.
Hey,
Yeah, it is. Need a hand? Got him. Nice, man. That's awesome.
thank you.
That's pretty. You know, it's a big one, or you probably caught bigger than that.
Oh yeah.
Are you using minnows?
Healthy. This one was cut bait.
Cut bait.
Yep.
What kind of rig you got on there, man? Don't mind me asking. Like,
I just use a weight
okay.
and oh, look at that, barely on there too.
Oh, got lucky.
Yeah.
Stayed on.
Outside.
How long you been fishing here for?
Oh geez, 4 o'clock.
How many have you got?
One.
That's the first one.
This is it. Yep. So far.
Just for good luck.
Yeah, no doubt.
That's cool, man.
Oh, look, fish bones.
No doubt.
Fish bones.
Oh, yeah.
Want to get a picture with it?
Oh no. Not too bad.
That's a good one.
Finally. Yeah, you guys are good luck. You guys are more than welcome to stay.
Well, it's that time of night now. It's getting to be like feeding time.
Exactly. Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Been out here since 4 o'clock. Finally got one on. Thanks to my new buddies.
Hammer Outdoors. Let's go. New subscriber right here.
Nice.
Go. Fish number 2. I swallowed the hook pretty good. So do some surgery real quick and get the release. There we go. Hook removed. Ready to get back in there.